Okay?
Tip lang.
So here, makita nyo ito yan. Programs, projects, and activities. So dati na namin yung CP. Output. Makita tayo yung budget source ko lang na. Okay? DRM fund ko namin dyan. CP. All you have to do there, put your budget is your BDRM fund. Okay? Lead agencies, on the barangay, person responsible na kakarga. Diba? So, it's going to be the BDRC. Okay? Time frame or date of implementation or time of implementation, 2013 to 2016, 3 years. So, you can also apply this on your plans. Okay? Kasi mag-aaral na ako. Okay? You can see here on the prevention mitigation, nagpalit na 8 the objectives si Baguio City. But hindi mo namatapon na ibagahin ko na ngayon na yun. Ngayon yun na yung objective that the national plan. Maluwa, kopyahin yun ang kaya. Okay? Anyo na yun na nagtapungan nyo kasi hindi ulo yun. Okay? Thematic area number 2 is your preparedness. Okay? Kinupyahan mo ang goal, kinupyahan mo yung mga objectives, hindi na yun ang kailangan. In the third thematic area, there is having the goal from the national plan, it's the same. Kinupyahan mo na ito eh. Yeah. Even the objectives, ang kabilang man yan. Yan, sabi mo na yun, ang salulo na talaga. Okay? On the fourth thematic area, we have your rehab and recovery. Recovery is again the goal there, hindi naman ikarga, and the objectives also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, na yun na. Okay? 4 lang na yung objectives, yung na yun na yun na ayun na. Ay, ito gaya. Okay? So, sa kayo, on the barangay, all you have to do is copy, you do not need to add. Yan? You copy the objectives, and you copy the goal. Okay? In every thematic area. All you have to do is copy. Now, right now, ako ang masapol na makita diyan. All I want is to see your PPAs on the 4 thematic areas. Okay? Your PPAs on the 4 thematic areas, the expected output, time frame, persons responsible, and the budget. Okay? Yun lang po gusto namin makita dyan sa planning nyo. Okay? Ito na po yung planning session dyan. So, on my watch, it's already 10 to 3. Pasensya na po tayo. Mag-working break tayo para matapos po. Okay lang? Okay lang? Approve? Taas po kamay ng approve. Okay? Sino pong hindi nag-approve? Okay. Anyway, I'll be giving you or 15 minutes na lang po. Bigyan ko po kayo ng 15 minutes. Maglagay po kayo ng projects, programs, and activities for each thematic area. Huwag niyo pong biglain, isa-isa lang. Okay? Isa o dalawa, kung kaya nyo maglagay ng dalawa, pwede. And then, you write it down there. Okay? May ginawa na may ginawa na kayo mga matrix nyo. So, simulan muna natin sa prevention and mitigation muna. Okay? Huwag muna tayo mag-concentrate sa ibang thematic area. Unahin muna natin ang prevention and mitigation. Ano po kaya ang mga PPAs natin na pwede nyo gawin? Okay? Alalahanin nyo lang sa inyo kukunin yung PPAs nyo, the problems that you encounter in your barangay. Okay? You have your soap there. See what problems you encounter there. Pwede kayo kumuha doon. Okay? I'll give you 15 minutes for that. My watch is already 8 to 3. You have 15 minutes.